I've spent my life around high-pressure machinery, starting as a Navy nuclear electrical operator at a power plant before transitioning into 17 years as an HVAC field technician and contractor. For over 20 years, I have also been running the HVAC for Beginners website to help homeowners cut through the sales talk. Most people assume that buying a big name like Trane automatically means you are getting a superior machine, but internal components are often identical to lesser known brands. It is time to stop buying a logo and start buying a build. Russell by Rheem is a subsidiary of the Rheem Manufacturing Company, which also produces Rude and several private labels. Trane is the flagship brand for Trane Technologies, which also manufactures American Standard. Looking at the Russell SA14AY and the Trane A5 TTX5, there is a notable difference in cabinet protection. The Russell model uses a wire grill that allows excellent airflow but leaves aluminum coil fins more exposed to damage. The Trane 5 TTX5 uses louvered steel slats that provide higher protection against hail or yard debris. In noise terms, both units are standard for the basic tier, with the Russell at 72 decibels and the Trane at 71 decibels. Both of these models are single-stage compressors, like a light switch that is either fully on or fully off. The Russell SA14AY offers a 14.3 SEER rating, while the Trane 5 TTX5 offers a 14.8 SEER. In 2026, the average fully installed Russell SA14AY is about $4,250, while the Trane 5 TTX5 averages $7,250. That is a $3,000 difference for two units that essentially do the same job. To keep either running long term, be proactive with maintenance like gently washing outdoor coils with a garden hose once a year. If outdoor coils get choked with pollen and dust, the system cannot reject heat properly and the compressor works harder. Icing on the indoor coil is usually a separate issue related to airflow or refrigerant levels, so keep filters clean too. Both brands offer the standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, the industry benchmark. Neither of these entry-level models includes a unit replacement guarantee, so a compressor failure gets a part replacement, not a new unit. Trane had a 2025 CPSC recall for some gas-electric packaged units where the fuel gas valve could open unexpectedly. While that recall is not for the exact unit reviewed, it highlights potential brand-level safety concerns. After weighing specs, prices, warranties, and recalls, Russell by Rheem scored 243 and Trane scored 208. The price advantage for Russell outweighs Trane's slightly better efficiency and cabinet protection in this basic tier matchup. That makes Russell by Rheem the clear winner in this head-to-head comparison. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners.